Hi everybody, Tina's Coupon Swap and Reviews. Today I'm bringing you an unboxing from Crowdtap. I think I got like 3 Crowdtap things coming, but I do know one of them is a cereal box. So this kind of looks like the shape of a cereal box. So let's see. That one's pretty easy to get into. It's a present. Okay, so chocolate toast crunch. It is a box of cereal. Instructions. Thank you for volunteering to participate in our cereal tasting via Crowdtap. You and your child will taste and evaluate chocolate toast crunch cereal. Please read all instructions carefully before continuing. Alright. Okay, so there's awesome questionnaire. Looks like homework. Okay, so do I gotta mail this in? Well, there's no stamp and there's no envelope, so hopefully I just have to take a picture of it and screenshot. But a full box of cereal, chocolate toast crunch. I know these used to be out and then they went away, so they must be bringing them back and letting us have a taste test to see and rate, I guess, and review and, you know, recommend, try to get everybody to buy it. But I used to love chocolate toast crunch. Cinnamon toast crunch is like one of my favorite cereals. So I am actually excited to try this. Wyatt hates chocolate, so he won't be trying this, but Dominic, he was already excited before I even opened the box. He saw that I had gotten into that mission, and he saw behind me, and he came up and was like, "Do you get that cereal, Mom?" So he'll be excited to try that this morning. Alright, well, thank you for watching, and you guys have a great day, and you can look for my review, www.tinascouponswap.com, and you guys have a wonderful day. Bye!